Very good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Naval Singh Thodawat, Assistant Professor in the subject of botany. Well, you are aware, I have introduced many more times in the previous videos. Well, friends, we are looking out the sex determination chromosomes. How on the basis of the chromosomes, one can identify the gender of the organisms, whether it is male or female. Well, while studying this, we come to know that when the organism is male, when the organism is male, it shows the heterogametes. That is, the half of the parts of the sperm is of X and half of the part is of Y. As far as concerned with the female, we find the homogametic. That is, both the chromosomes or factors are represent or designated by the double X. Well, now what is the ratio of this sex fertilizations? The ratio that is equal, equivalent, that is 1 is to 1 ratio, means when you produce the male, equally you will produce the female. But in the case of male, produce equal number of the sperms or bearing of X and Y. Now look out at this. This is the female gametes which represent the double X, and this one is the male one. Now while putting this in the Punnett square, what we get that, so on this side this is the male sperms, that is the denoted by X and Y, whereas from the this side, means from this way, this is the female one, that is the eggs of female which represent with the double X. Well, friend, when this one is fertilized with this one, means the male X chromosomes or the sperms which fertilize with the eggs of the female, that is X, it will give the progeny, that is double X. With the same way, with the same pattern, we found two female and the two male. That is why the ratio is 1 is to 1. Now, in the son or in the progeny, the X chromosome is taken from his mother and Y chromosome taken from the father. Now, while studying out these things, determination in the various organisms, what we get that the genotypes and of the male as well as the genotype of the female. While talking about the humans and the other mammals, we got the double X of the female and XY of the genotype of the male. Whereas of the insects, female, that is double X, and the male, that is the XO. Well, talking about the Drosophila is same as like the humans and the mammals, and well, bird, fishes and butterflies, that is WZ. WZ represents the female one and the capital W represents the male one. Friends, now see the mechanism of the sex determination. What is the mechanism of the sex determination? Well, friends, the XO system of a sex determination operates in insects. As we saw in previous chart, the male have only one X chromosome designated as XO, while the female have two chromosomes which is designated as the double X. Now, this is the what we are talking about the insects sex system. While in Drosophila we have the four pairs of chromosomes. The female is double X, the male is XY. The Y is characteristically of J shape. So this is male X and Y, and this one is the female with the double X. For both insects and Drosophila, the ratio of the X chromosomes to the set autosomes play a key role in the sex determination. While talking about the birds, what we saw the ZO and the double W or a WZ. This is the ZW system is a form sex determination in birds and butterfly and some fishes too. The genotype of the female is referred as the WZ and the male as the WW. For male, in this system, the male is homogametic and the female is heterogametic. While talking about the humans, it is the vice versa. XX and XY system is the most common sex determination system found in the humans and mammals. The presence of SRY gene is SRY gene on the Y chromosome causes maleness. So this is one of the most important aspect of the that the SRY gene, this SRY gene. Okay, what do we see? Look out at this last one, that is human system, which is represented by double X as a female and XY as a male. This is the system of the sex determination found in the humans and the mammals, but the presence of SRY gene, the presence of a SRY gene on the Y chromosomes causes maleness, means it is responsible for development of the male or for the production of the male gender. Some organisms depends on the environment factor such as the temperature and rest of the factor. For example, American alligator. American alligator. So friends, these are the things which we look out at the sex determinations of the genes, or how one can identify the sexual determination of the chromosomes. Well, friends, with this we finish our sex determination topic, and whatever the part we'll be going to see rest of the part in our next lecture or next videos. Till then, uh, I wish that you would like to take down some notes and take down some things from the diagrams and the charts or PPTs which are prepared, and thus this presentation is taken from the slide share. So with this, I repeat, please revise it. Till then, thank you.